Good morning everyone. Today we will start with the pale catechu. We know that there are two different types of catechu. First one is Gambier catechu or pale catechu. Synonym is Gambier. This catechu is obtained from the dried aqueous extract from the leaves and young twigs of Uncaria gambier. The name of plant is Uncaria gambier, which belongs to family Rubiaceae. It is generally available in Bangladesh, Singapore and Indonesia. It is also available in the some part of India. Generally it can be easily cultivated in the colder region. So we will study microscopical morphological characters of this catechu. Here in the diagram you can see this catechu has a cuboidal shape and it has a slightly reddish brown color. So the color is compared to fade than our original or second catechu. We called it as a black catechu. Then we how to prepare this catechu from the leaf of Uncaria gambier. First of all, leaf and twigs are collected and they are boiled with water. After boiling, this extract is filtered and cooled. This mixture is kept in a in a earthen vessel till it becomes semi-solid pasty mass, and after that this mass is cut into or transferred into the different dies to get a specific shape of our pale catechu. So this is the procedure for the preparation of our pale catechu. Then morphological characters. It shows a dull grayish brown or dark reddish brown color and externally and pale brown color internally. It is odorless and somewhat bitter in the taste. Then shapes are variable depending on our shape of our dyes. So it contains four important chemical constituents. First one is catechin, catechutanic acid. It also contains flavonoid like quercetin and red catechu and gum. These are other constituents which are present in our pale catechu. It is used as an astringent drug. Externally it can be used, and it is also used in the treatment of diarrhea and cooling as well as digestive agent. Now this is the diagram of our black catechu. Black catechu plant is a large tree. It contains some pod-like structures. These are the fruits of our black catechu. These are pod-like structures, and the heartwood of this plant is used for the extraction of our drug. You can see here the diagram of or image of our stem of our black catechu plant. The stem, inside part of that stem, it is clearly dark brown, reddish brown in color. This part is used for the extraction of our black catechu. After extraction and extraction of our black catechu, it will form like this structure. These are the final black catechu cubes which are given in the next diagram. So synonyms are Kutch, Katha, Khadir, Khair. These are the different synonyms of black catechu. Biological source. It is obtained from the dried extract from the heartwood of plant Acacia catechu, which is belonging to family Leguminosae. It contains catechutanic acid, catechu red, quercetin and gum. All these ingredients are similar to our pale catechu. Only difference is that it also contains acacatechin or acacia catechin. Also the name of plant is it is similar to the name of plant. So this is an additional agent which is present in black catechu. Instead of this agent, our pale catechu shows presence of gambier gambier fluorescent pigment, which is an exception or difference between both the catechus. Then chemical test. When this black catechu is treated with ferric chloride solution, it will give bluish black color. When it is treated with hydrochloric acid and vanillin solution, it will give pink or red color. The aqueous solution of black catechu, when treated with lime water, it will show brown color. Similarly, this black catechu can be taken internally for the medicine, and this black catechu is used as a medicine from Ayurvedic system of medicine in our India. The main use is it is used as a astringent, digestant, expectorant. Also, it is used in the treatment of diarrhea, lozenges. Some of the part, in some cases, it is used for the preservatives in fishing net. How it is used as a preservative? Because this black catechu is form a external covering on the fishing nets. Because of this external covering, fishing nets, when come in contact with our water, the deterioration or degradation of this cloth or net part is avoided because of our black catechu covering. So they are used as a preservatives for fishing nets. Then next plant is Pterocarpus plant. This plant is also known as Rakta Chandan because the wood of plant is red in color. जे wood आहे inside आपण बघितलं, it shows red color. So this plant is also known as Rakta Chandan in our Marathi or Sanskrit language. Synonyms: Indian kino tree, bijasal, and Malabar kino. It consists of dried juice of plant Pterocarpus marsupium, which also belongs to family Leguminosae. It contains acacatechin, acacia catechin, that is catechutanic acid, and catechu red. Same constituents are present in our plant.